In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. Now, for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and basically tap this plus sign right here in order for me to create a new post. And then I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, upload something. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try to upload this image right here, just like so. And then I'm going to tap the next button. Now, from here, you're just going to go ahead and do exactly as how you would normally post it until you are here. Now, what you're going to do is scroll down here, and then you should see an option there that says more options. Go ahead and click that one, and there goes scheduling this post. Go ahead and toggle this on, and you should see a pop-up for you to schedule this. Now I'm going to go ahead and schedule this, say for example, to about 5:30 p.m. Now what you are going to do is just tap done here if you are already. Now go ahead and check to make sure that it is correct. Afterwards, you can just go back here, and then you can go ahead and click schedule. So instead of post, it says schedule. So there you go. That is how you are going to get this done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you out.